You know that frustrating moment when you finally sit down to play after a long day, only to watch your game stutter, drop frames, or force you to turn settings way down just to keep things running? I've been there too many times. That's exactly why a solid pre-built like the CyberPowerPC Gamer Master caught my attention. This machine comes equipped with an AMD Ryzen 7 8700F processor and the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5060 Ti 8GB graphics card. Together, they deliver smooth performance in modern titles at 1440p without making you constantly tweak graphics settings. The 16GB of DDR5 memory handles multitasking well, whether you're gaming, streaming, or keeping a few browser tabs open, while the 1TB PCIe 4.0 SSD gives you fast load times and plenty of room for your favorite games right out of the box.
It also arrives with Windows 11 Home already installed, built-in Wi-Fi 6, and a clean case with tempered glass and RGB lighting that looks sharp without going overboard. Everything feels put together thoughtfully for someone who wants good gaming performance without having to build their own system. Of course, no PC is perfect for every single situation. If you play at 4K or do heavy video editing, you might want more RAM or a stronger GPU down the line. But for most gamers looking for a capable 1440p rig that's ready to go, this one does the job nicely. As an Amazon associate, I earn from qualifying purchases.